On February 13, 2026, the usually calm Crati River turned into a force of nature. Calabria once again found itself at the center of a major natural disaster. After several days of intense rainfall, the water level in the Crati rose sharply. The embankments gave way, and the river spilled out of its channel, flooding the surrounding areas. The municipality of Tarsia was among the hardest hit. In the Ferramonti area, farms, residential homes, and even a solar panel park were submerged. In the province of Cosenza, authorities declared the highest level of hydrogeological danger. Rescue teams worked tirelessly, reinforcing embankments, closing roads, and helping residents cut off by the floodwaters. In Cassano, allo, Ionio, officials were forced to evacuate residents due to the risk of further flooding. The situation remained tense for several days. The flood in Tarsia became another reminder of how vulnerable the region is to extreme weather. Once again, residents and authorities face the question: how can the Crati River be secured to prevent future disasters? Stay informed and support the local communities recovering from this disaster. Thank you for watching.